Baby.
Okay, now start your story.
On 1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you going to start at the beginning?
I'm beginning of story. And I'm ready. Away. That end of story.
Can you start at the beginning?
Yes.
Can you say...
Grumpy Babe.
Yes, and then you say...
Grumpy Babe.
One day...
There was a babe. Grumpy Babe. And there was a spooky store. So the store.
Can you show us the pictures?
So the stores. And stars around Grumpy Bee.
Can you show me the picture?
It's she. Grumpy Bee.
Then what happened?
He was grumpy. He saw spooky stars.
Was he too grumpy to fly?
Yes.
So then what happened?
He got grumpy. They eated a ram. He did eat the ram.
He didn't eat the lamb?
They didn't.
They didn't. Did they go have snack?
Yes.
Yes.
He was too grumpy to fly and walk. He didn't. He was too grumpy to walk. He was. But over that too.
That's the sheep.
That's it.
What did the sheep say?
I keep you company.
Yes.
What is this one?
The raccoon.
This is Viva. What is this?
What did they say?
What that say?
That's flowers, I think.
Huh? Say all this stuff. All this.
What did the beaver say?
I will keep you company. That's what it says.
Yeah.
So I will keep you company. That's fun. It is fun.
Mm-hmm.
Say all this stuff. Say those animals stopped.
Yes, all the animals stopped.
Yes. That's funny. They all did hop on one leg. They all did hop on one leg. That's they all did go on one. I'm beginning. All did jump. I did eat a snack of a ram.
Of a worm?
Yeah. That's funny.
And was Bird grumpy at the end of the story?
Yeah.
Did he get happy at the end of the story?
Yeah.
Yes. So Bird wasn't grumpy anymore.
He was grumpy.
In the beginning, yes.
Yeah. he was too grumpy to fly. And he was too grumpy to fly. And he was too grumpy to fly.
Yes, Fluffy was too grumpy to fly.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you all done reading us your story?
No.
No. You're reading it again?
I owned it. Away.
How did all the animals get there? Did all the animals fly?
No, those don't fly.
But how did they get up in the tree?
Don't know. Climbing.
Maybe.
Yes, they did climb.
Thank you for reading us your story, Kian.
And